Welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how fix problem with WhatsApp voice message. So let's start. Well, first let's go to settings, and here on settings let's go to apps. Okay, so let's go to settings, just scroll down and let's go to apps. Here on apps let's go to manage apps, and here on manage apps will appear all the apps that you have on your device. So you have to looking for WhatsApp. So just wait a little bit until this finish to load all the apps here. So now that everything is ready to use, just looking for WhatsApp. And now that you find the WhatsApp app, now just click there. For example, I use WhatsApp Business. So just click here. And then let's go to the part that is app permissions. You have to check if the permissions are okay. If not, just click on give permission, allow all the time, and just give the permission to Microsoft, phone, etc. Now that you check this is alright and it's not working yet, so I recommend you to click on clear data and just clear on manage all space, and you can click here and delete everything, or if you prefer, you also can clear on clear cache and all the data here. Then you open WhatsApp once again and log into your account, and probably with this you will fix this problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.